so pardon my mess. I have a lot of products out, but what we have right here is our portable water flosser. So what I like about it is the fact that there's different settings. So you would go here, I can turn it on because there's no water in it, and then you would click mode. So this is the power button, and then this is the mode button, and then you can go between the modes. That's pulse, that's normal, that's soft. Again, pulse. Pulse has the 2 different speeds. So I'll turn this off. Normal, I would say when you're getting used to it, start with soft. Normal might be a lot just at the beginning. So I would start with soft. Here's the head, and it comes with multiple different heads. Let me see if I have them in here. It comes with multiple different heads, and it comes with a charger here. Okay, so here are the different tips. I haven't used these ones yet. This one looks a little bit thinner. Honestly, it looks pretty close to the same, but this one has a little cup right here, so it kind of keeps the water from dripping down. I don't really have a problem with the water dripping down, though, on the regular one either. So this is just a duplicate of the same regular one. And this one has a brush tip at the tip, so you can kind of brush your teeth with it, too, if you want to really get in between those teeth. Overall, I really like the product. I think it's a 10 out of 10. I never floss, so this is like the only thing that's getting me to floss pretty much. Charging for 4 hours, 3 mode settings, 2-minute smart time. Okay, cool. So it has a smart time that turns off. So that's good to know. It's cordless, but here's the charger. So it comes with a charger that you can charge with, and you just plug it into a little block, and you plug it into right there to charge it.
I'm wiping the bottom and it continues to drip. So before I can even floss my teeth, the water is dripping out.